Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into some recent developments in Indian politics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, despite his party losing its majority, has just sworn in his new cabinet after a whirlwind election. So, what does this mean for India? Let's get into it. First off, Modi's strategic maneuvering is evident. Although the Bharatiya Janata Party didn't secure a majority, Modi has skillfully formed a coalition. By retaining key ministers and bringing in members from various coalition partners, the cabinet appears robust, designed to tackle India's pressing issues. Now, considering Modi is only the second Indian Prime Minister to win a third term, expectations are high. His cabinet choices reflect a blend of experience and alliance strategy, potentially stabilizing the governmental structure amidst political turbulence. But the real question remains, can this newly formed government maintain stability in India? Human Rights Watch, meanwhile, has raised concerns about the human rights situation in India. They've called on Modi's government to reverse discriminatory laws, protect civil liberties, and end impunity for security forces. These demands suggest that for some, stability isn't just about political maneuvering, but also about upholding democratic values and human rights. So, with Modi at the helm for a third term, the world is watching. Will his government address these critical issues, or will political challenges overshadow the need for reform? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. The stakes are incredibly high, not just for India, but for its position on the global stage. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into global politics. See you in the next video.